Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for a credit card, follow these step-by-step instructions to increase your chances of approval and get the best card for your needs. Step 1. Check your credit score and review your credit report to understand where you stand. Most credit cards require a minimum score, and knowing yours helps you target cards you're likely to qualify for. Step 2. Research different credit card options based on your spending habits and financial goals. Compare rewards programs, interest rates, annual fees, sign-up bonuses, and benefits like travel insurance or purchase protection. Step 3. Determine your eligibility by reviewing the card issuer's requirements for income, credit history, and other factors. Applying for cards you qualify for reduces the risk of hard inquiries that can lower your credit score. Step 4. Gather required documentation, including proof of identity such as a driver's license or passport, proof of income like pay stubs or tax returns, and proof of address through utility bills or bank statements. Step 5. Complete the application online, by phone, or in person at a bank branch. Provide accurate information about your employment, income, housing status, and other requested details. Step 6. Submit your application and wait for a decision, which can be instant, take a few minutes, or require several days for review. Some issuers may contact you for additional information or verification. Step 7. Once approved, activate your card as soon as it arrives and set up online account access to monitor transactions, make payments, and manage your credit responsibly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.